Vic, such an unlucky performer. Tony McKenna, former chairman of Shelbourne Park, was saying to us earlier on, if there was any justice, that Ballymac Vic would win it. So many hard luck performances in the past. Caro Gareth going in, along with
Guys,
Cabrabo.
panoorin nyo ito guys. Slippery Robert guys. Race ng mga aso guys. Mga imported to guys. Ang gaganda guys. Ang guys oh. I-start na guys. Panoorin nyo guys. Ang gagaling guys. Disiplinadong mga aso to guys. First time ko lang makapanood na ganito guys. Sa social media na may karera pala mga ganitong aso guys. Ang gagaling guys. Panoorin natin guys ha. Sorry. 5 yan guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yung pang 5 yung ano guys yun. Yan guys ha. Yan guys. Panoorin natin guys ha.
2, the favourite Irish Sugar Ray. 3, the bitch Caro Gareth. Trap 4 is vacant. 5, Cabrabo.
Yan na, malapit na guys. Yan na. Galing guys oh. Bibilis guys oh. Panlima guys. Nangunguna yung panlima guys oh. Yun na guys oh. Panlima nangunguna. Yan na guys. Masusunod yung isa. Yung black. Yung nanguna na yung pang-apat guys. Ay pang-4 guys. Yung blue to. Ito panlima yung ano. Ito pang-apat guys. Ayan pang-apat. Pang-apat guys. Nangunguna guys. Yun. Nangyari yung pang-apat guys na aso. Pang-apat na aso guys. Nanalong galing. Napakagaling ng mga aso guys. Ang tatalino ito guys. Disiplinado guys. Ang galing. Grabe guys. Ngayon ako nakapanood na ganito guys. May karera pala mga aso guys. Ang galing ano. Ay 6 pala guys. 6 na aso. 246. 246 ay ano guys oh. Ang guys ang galing guys oh. Grabe guys ang gagaling.
Ballymac Vic was trying his best to get involved, and watch Slippery Robert come widest of all and close in up to take a lead in that third bend. And as they came round the final bend, Slippery Robert was in prime position for victory. Cabrabo trying hard, Tire Sugar Ray full of running too, but they couldn't live with the searing pace of Slippery Robert, owned by Larry Dunn and County Loud, trained by Robert Gleeson. Slippery Robert is his 6th career success, the youngest dog in the final.
Energetic guys, ang galing. Ngayon ako nakapanood dito guys, grabe. Ang galing guys. Please like my video guys ha, and follow ha. Maraming salamat guys, God bless.